Hey guys, this is Captain Frugal reporting for duty, and if you're anything like me, I've had a lot of troubles doing lighting in my videos. I'm still working on it right now, to be honest with you. But if you don't want to spend a fortune on lighting, and especially a fancy light kit that's an LED kit or whatever it is, sit back and enjoy this video. We're going to show you how to do a do-it-yourself LED light kit that's going to save you a lot of money. All right, now let's first look at the parts that you're going to have to get in order to do this build. Now, the first thing I would look at is go online and research some prices. Just go to Amazon, if you will. And here's the first one I got. It's a mini ball head, 1/4-inch screw tripod, mini ball head for a DSLR camera, camcorder light bracket with swivel. And I got these for $7.99 each. So once again, you can look around, look for the right prices. Now, you won't be able to mount this directly onto your mic stand yet. You're going to now need to get one of these here, and there's different brands of these two, 1/4-inch male to 5/8 female, as you see here, microphone stands for camera stuff. What you're going to be able to do is get those, you screw that onto your mic stand, and then you're going to be able to put the mini ball head in. So these here were $4.98. Once again, check Amazon, look for sales, look for good prices. Now for the mic stands, you can check all kinds of music shops or do an Amazon search. I already had mic stands, so I didn't need to buy any at that point because I have a lot of them. That's why this was so cheap. Now, the next thing I want to show you here is this is the lights that I bought. These are LED lights, as you see here. I just went right to the local big box store. You can get them at a Walmart or a different brand, if you will. I got these from Walmart. I think they were on sale. I think they're normally around $15, but I got them on sale for $7 something each. Now, the next two I picked out were actually even brighter. These were 5,500 lumen, so you can get a lot of different brightnesses to fit your needs. I need a lot of brightness in this room, and these were on sale for just $14. So once again, you're going to need the mini ball head, the little microphone stand mount, you're going to need mic stands, and you're going to need your lights. Now, after that, you might want to get some zip ties or some Velcro straps if you like as well, but it's not mandatory in order to complete this build. All right, now that we have our components here, all we have to do is assemble it. We're going to take this piece here, which normally it would not fit on our mic stand alone. If you unscrew that, we can move the light any way we want when we get this done and hold it in place with that screw. But to get the fit on the mic stand, we're going to have to put this in. And we're going to put this other little piece here, this little attachment that we put in, and just screw it in. It's real easy to do. Just screws right in there. And this is going to allow us to put it on pretty much any kind of mic stand. Now notice here I have this end. If you need a nut, you can put it on there, but some, in my case, I didn't even need a nut. It fit in the hole just right and held it on like that. All right, so now we just have to take that component there, screw it onto the top of the mic stand like so. Now remember, we can always move it to where we want to by raising and lowering the mic stand to get it to where we want. Very good and simple. Once again, make sure you get a good mic stand. It's always important to get one good and strong. Now we're going to take our light. Here we are, our shop light. And see that hole in the back for the mounting? You're just going to take that, and that's what you're going to put right over that bolt. Now you might find, like in my case, the bolt was too big and you didn't need it. The threads alone are enough to hold it in. So if that's the case, just take that nut off and you're going to slide it right on there and push down, and gravity should hold that light on just fine. Now, if you want a little extra stability, just take your zip tie, Velcro, or whatever, and just strap it right to the bottom, as you see on the picture here. Between that and the threads, that light should be on there really well. And as you see here, they're mounted up and it provides a nice light. Now, notice how I have the cords at the bottom. That's important. Remember I mentioned zip ties or Velcro. This is where you might want to zip tie or Velcro that lightly to the bottom, leaving it enough so you can elevate or lower that light if you want to, but it'll keep that bottom of the light from swinging around. But gravity enough should probably do it, but the extra little bit should help secure it. And as you see here, it works really good. I'm going to be using 4 lights total. This is just with 2 and a cheap little light in the background, as you can see there. It lights up the area pretty darn good. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you like what you've seen. I'm actually using the light kit right now. I haven't perfected the positioning of it yet, but I've already seen a dramatic difference in the lighting. Once again, I've got 4 lights going right now. The lights themselves cost about
$60 total, $60 in mic stands, so you're looking at $120 there, plus the additional equipment, you're probably looking at $140. But for that amount of money, you can get multiple light stands where you can use these anywhere. They're portable, easy to use. You don't have, and if you already have the mic stands, you can just repurpose those and then take the lights off when you want. So you even reduce that cost. So yeah, you only have the cost there if you're going to maintain them just for the light stands themselves with the mic stands. But once again, if you're like me and you have a bunch, you just pop them right off, put the lights to the side. You can use them in the shop. You can use them while you're soldering your equipment. But overall, you're going to save a lot of money. If you get 4 sets of lights this way for the price really of 1 kit with probably 2 soft boxes. And speaking of soft boxes, if you find that the lights are a little too bright, a little too harsh, you can always take wax paper and put them over the lights. That should help soften them up on the cheap as well. And you don't have to worry about them overheating because they're LED, so it's not going to get hot and melt the paper. Right now, as I said, I showed you the lights. I have 2 brighter sets and 2 not as bright sets here. I think I see a tremendous difference already, and I'm really liking it. Matter of fact, if you know of a way to save money on lighting that you want to help other people with the video creation themselves too, let us know in the comments, please. Share this information. It's great for the whole community. It's why I did this. I know it's a big problem for me, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Maybe I'll do another video on lenses because that's my next thing, because I know a lens, kit lens that I'm using is not the most optimal for a dark room. So if I go with a different lens, it'll help even more. But we'll get to that when we get there, as well as the studio production. Once again, thank you for taking your time watching these videos. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And until next time, keep it frugal.